Hi everyone. If you want to learn a network automation, so one of my colleague, Mr. Murtaza Ali, he is a CCIE. He is starting this course. This is a live class Saturday on Sunday, and this course he gonna cover 5 modules: Python, Netmiko, model driven automation, which include Young, NetConf, RESTCONF, and so many other, Ansible and Git. The tool he will use in this course is Python version 3, VS Code, Cisco Sandbox, Ansible, GitHub, Postman, and many other tool. So if you want to learn this course, so the course fees is 150 US dollar, and the course is around 2 months, okay, which is starting on 4th of October, and the time will be decided. You can reach him, and this course will be on Saturday and Sunday live. After the class you will get the recorded videos, notes, each and everything. So if you want to know about this instructor, so I will share you the Google Drive, so you can watch the video and the course introduction video and about the trainer. So you can reach him on this WhatsApp number. This is the WhatsApp number, and if you are interested in this course you can directly reach him. He is a CCIE, and this is a best instructor to learn a network automation. Thank you very much.